Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. Today is Wednesday and it's currently 5 in the afternoon, and I am super duper excited because finally I am doing something for myself, something that I have never ever done in my life before. To be honest, ayoko na sanang i-vlog to because I can already foresee the negative comments and the bashing. However, I realize na whatever I do and whatever I don't do, people will always have something to say. So why not do something that will make me happy? At the end of the day, I am not hurting anyone. Wala akong inaapakang tao, and most of all, I'm not using someone else's money to do it for myself. So I have been doing my research, gathering information, and looking for ideas, and finally, today, I am pulling the trigger. So today, guys, I am going to do chin filler. Yes, you heard it right. I am getting a chin filler, and I am super excited because this is something that I have been looking into doing since I was single, before the kids. But you know yung feeling na i-judge ako ng mga tao, baka sabihin nila, bakit nag-ano ng chin filler, ng ganito, ng ganyan. And then I was young and I was scared na i-judge. Surgery, guys, it's like a filler. So you know, they just put like a filler here. And I'll tell you later on kung ano yung reason behind ng decision ko na magpa-chin filler. So as mentioned, I was scared and I was, you know, naive about all these things before. But chin filler is nowadays rampant in the society. People do it, especially the artistas, yung mga celebrities, and that, aminin man nila or hindi, some of them does chin filler to enhance their look. Sure, now sa isip nyo, tinatanong nyo, why do people get chin filler? So I'm gonna tell you why. So a chin filler injection is a non-surgical procedure that alters the contour and definition of the chin. Chin fillers can create a stronger jawline, making the face appear more youthful. These injections can also add more definition between the face and the neck. So Mother's Day just passed, and Daddy Mike asked me kung ano yung gusto ko for a present. And ito yung naisipan kong gawin. Look at my face before, side, the other side, because I'm going to do another vlog later pagkatapos, and make you the one to judge kung may malaking difference ba or wala. But I know I have done my own research before and I could see big difference in people, guys. That's why I am doing it, because I can see na meron talagang diferensya. So chin filler is actually to give a more balanced look. So based on my research, itong size ng forehead natin should be the same size dito sa nose, and then the other third part of the face should be the same size. So I know this is not a perfect demonstration, but I hope you get the idea, guys. So I can tell that I have like a shorter, like bottom part of my face. So kapag nagpipicture ako, selfie or just a normal photo, gusto ko dito na side kasi I feel like this is more, parang meron siyang, yung angulo ko dito is better than sa angulo ko dito. I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can definitely see the difference sa angle dito at sa angle dito. And I'm hoping with the chin filler, it will actually, obviously it will lengthen our chin here. So hopefully it will give more definition sa ating chin. It's time for me to go now. I cannot wait. I'm super excited. It's, I think, 15 minutes drive there. And I will see you there. I'll see if makakapag-vlog tayo. I'll ask the doctor if it's possible to vlog para mapakita ko sa inyo yung kung paano gawin and yung procedure ba na gagawin. But I can't promise, guys, but fingers crossed it's okay. It should be fine. The doctor that I'm going to, like, he is big on Instagram, so later on I'm going to provide all the details to the screen and the description box, and let's see if we can have a little chit chat with him later. So we'll see you guys later with my new chin.
A few moments later.
So here's our outfit for tonight. So ayan. So nag-blazer tayo, guys, because it's a bit chilly now. At alam niyo ba, kaka 6 o'clock lang niya at sobrang green na sa labas. Kasi winter na siya. So it's very cold outside. Pero naka-sport si mami niya. And I've got my heels on. And here's my bag for tonight. It's super cute. Ayan. So, alis na tayo, guys. We'll say bye to the fam. See you, Daddy.
Mom and Dad, love you, Babu.
See you, Daddy.
What do you write?
See you, my little princess.
Where are you going?
We'll go to make Mama beautiful.
Mama's back soon.
Mama will be back soon. Love you. You play with Lini, okay? So it's now 6:30, guys. Ang kakapark ko lang dito. So I can see the clinic now. Oh my God. So we're like 15 minutes early sa ating appointment, which is good.
Jovi, what are we doing for you today?
Chin filler. That's
Chin
what
filler?
I'm here for.
Yeah, have you done it before?
No, this is, yeah, that's why I'm very nervous, excited at the same time.
Okay, perfect. Alright, so I'm going through this. How did you find us? You said Instagram?
Instagram.
Right? Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Beautiful.
It just popped up.
And what do you do for work?
Well, I'm full-time
Full-time
now.
mom, yeah.
And I do my little
Vlogging,
business,
yeah.
my vlogging and my little online business.
That's busy enough, I reckon.
Oh, yeah. Having 2 kids, I think that's busy enough.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And you've had some stuff done in the past. Which,
Yeah, so probably 8 years ago, 8 or 9 years ago, I've done the one for the masseter.
yeah,
Is that the one?
masseter, yeah.
Yeah, but I don't know which one that is, so...
That's Botox. Yeah.
Ah, cool, yeah.
Okay, what else? Any fillers on your face? That's it?
No,
Just
that's it. That was like, it says like that's for like
slimming,
your face. Yeah.
Did it help you clenching? Do you clench at night time? Or
No, I don't think I do, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Alright, with your chin, this mirror, have a look here. Hold this, okay. So there's 2 things I want to do to your chin, okay. The first one is filler, right. So some of the fillers, actually, what we can do is we can actually bring the chin, have a look, bring your chin down,
Okay, yeah.
down, open your mouth, good. Down, bring it down kind of up to here, okay, like that. So with your chins like yourself, you will need 2 mils, not 1, okay. 1 mil is not going to be enough.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So some people with a chin already, 1 mil is good.
Yeah.
For your chin, definitely 2 mils.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, something you can do 1, but it won't be worth doing.
Yeah.
So that's why I would recommend 2 mils.
Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Very healthy.
So the breastfeeding part.
Yeah. So as long as you're healthy.
I'm healthy, yeah.
Good. As long as you don't have like any infection and stuff, then you're gonna be fine.
No.
It's completely safe to have to breastfeed. Okay. Yeah. So with any fillers, there's always risk and side effects. Okay. My job is to make sure that it's safe, make sure nothing bad happens to you. Okay. But it's also to teach you about everything that can go wrong with fillers. The reason why I teach you this is so if anything happens to you, then you can see the symptoms. You let me know, and we can dissolve it straight away. Okay. Fillers are safe because you can dissolve it. Make sense?
Yeah.
If you put it in, then you can get rid of it straight away. So if something goes wrong, you dissolve it, it goes back to normal.
Okay.
Yeah, same thing with lips, with nose. If something goes wrong, you just dissolve it. That's why it's safe, okay? Yeah, in saying that, your chin will be red, swollen and bruised, okay, for up to 7 days. What you can do to help with the swelling is what?
Ice.
Correct. Very good.
Yeah, I've been studying.
Yeah. After the procedure, I'll give you some ice. Make sure you put it on your chin.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's going to help reduce the swelling. Okay. Pain-wise for the chin, we use numbing cream, and then we use a local anesthetic. Okay, the local anesthetic will numb the whole inside of your chin, so that when I do the procedure, you won't feel anything.
Okay, good.
You will only feel around 5 seconds of pain when I numb your chin. Okay, after that, it's painless. Next one's infection. Okay, so if you see your chin going really red, really swollen, really painful, really hot to touch, call me so I can give you antibiotics. Okay. Yeah, normally it's fine. We never get infection here.
Yeah.
Okay? The last one's called a vascular occlusion. Have you heard of that before?
No, I haven't.
No. So what it is in your chin. What are these?
Veins.
Yeah, veins. Let's do it again. Veins, right?
Yeah.
So if I inject a filler into the vein, what happens?
Oh my god.
It's going to get blocked, correct?
Yeah.
If we block the vein with the filler, there's no blood going through it. Okay, so if there's a blockage of the vein, what's going to happen is your chin will change color. Okay, so if you see any color change in the chin, you call me.
Okay.
So we can fix it. Okay? This blockage happens 1 in 100,000 people. It's really rare, but if it happens to you, you've got to dissolve it.
Yeah.
Okay? So if your chin, if you get this, it's going to change color. It's going to be really white, and after a day, it's going to have red dots on it. Okay?
Okay.
After 2 or 3 days, it will go blue, and then 4 days, it will go black. So if you see any color change on your chin, give me a call, send me a photo, and I'll look at it for you.
Okay.
And if there's a blockage, we dissolve it. Okay?
Okay.
But it's really rare, we've never had it before. Make sense?
Yeah.
It's just for your knowledge, okay?
Yeah.
What's going to happen is it's going to have a really beautiful chin. It's going to be a little bit swollen. Make sure you ice it. You'll be fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Alright. Any questions?
No, I think you covered it all.
Beautiful. The chin, the filler we use is quite thick. It should last you around 1 to 2 years, okay? Yeah. Today we're going to do 2 mils, but in the future, when you top it up after 2 years, you only need 1 mil. So you still have some in there from now. You get it? So now we need 2 mils. In the future, we just usually 1 top up. Okay, make sense?
Yeah.
Cool. That's it.
Okay.
There you go.
That's it. Oh my god, yes.
All right, cool.
A few moments later.
How long have you been vlogging for?
Well, I started 2019 when we were still in Melbourne.
Yeah.
And I probably took a bit of time off when we moved here.
Yeah.
Because, trying to settle down and all that stuff.
Yeah. So you started in, was it Melbourne? Like, is that?
Yeah, that's
you
why
used
the
to
name
live?
of my channel is Mama Paris in Melbourne.
Yeah,
that's when
I saw that. I was like, oh, is that like a thing or like?
Yeah, because it's me and my daughter.
That's fun. I feel like it's cool. Like vlogging is cool because like you're basically documenting your life. So.
Yeah, well, that's the main reason why I did it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now my 2 daughters, we just sit down and sometimes watch the old videos when they're like babies.
Yeah.
And it's just fun to watch.
Yeah, it would be. So just looking there again, hold that look there. Cool. And then just look straight, like to where I was. Yeah, perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, it's like with the black background, you see it a little clear.
Yep. So keep looking there. And then look at the camera. And then look straight ahead. And then Teresa move out of the way, otherwise you're moving. Perfect. Cool. And I'll just take a quick photo here. Keep looking straight. And then look into the camera. And then keep looking straight.
Did we put the whole thing up?
Huh? Oh, I think I'm actually going to do it.
Get some stress balls for you.
Oh, okay.
How exciting.
Wow, we're starting.
A few moments later.
Ready?
Well,
Ready? Here, have a look.
oh my god.
With the balls.
Yes. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Dude, this angle up here is so good. Wow.
Oh my god, it looks so different.
Look at the angle from above. See that? From above?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks really good.
So can I touch it?
You can touch it, yeah. It's your chin.
Oh my god, yes.
I mean, she hasn't paid for it yet, so it's my chin.
You want to take it away?
I can. Okay.
There's a will, there's a way.
Just like dissolve it straight away.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it looks so good. Thank you.
No worries.
Oh my god. Yes.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so good. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Better than I expected, to be honest. Oh, thank you to Dr. Tony. Yeah,
Drops the camera.
yeah, thank you so much.
That's okay.
Oh my
It's
god.
good.
So there's no bleeding or anything.
It's soft, yeah. It's soft bleeding. Look at it.
And it was not painful at all. It was so good. Now I'm beautiful.
What do you mean? You looked great before.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
It looks good, right? It
Yeah.
suits
Oh
you.
my god, yes. It's well, I can take better selfies now. And this side as well.
Yeah, the side
'Cause before
profile, yeah.
this one, I was like, I always take a photo from this side because I felt like this one is more shows my chin more. But now I've
You got options.
more. Yes. All right, they can see the beauty of this side now too.
Yeah, beautiful.
Kita nyo na guys, ang beauty ko ngayon. Andito na si mami nyo. It's super worth it and it's definitely a great Mother's Day gift para sa akin. It's still numb dito sa baba kasi obviously Dr. Tony nilagyan niya ng pangpanam para walang sakit. So wala akong naramdaman na sakit the whole process. So ayan. What do you think? Sinabi ko sa inyo before, let me know in the comment section below kung may nakita ba kayong difference. Because I can definitely both sides. Ayan. So, kitang-kita nyo na ang aking kagandahan ngayon. But yeah, I just want to say thank you to Dr. Tony. Maraming salamat talaga, Dr. Tony. Maraming salamat. You can say walang anuman.
Walang alam.
Walang anuman. What do you think, Ate?
It's really nice now.
Yeah. What do you think of Mama's chin, honey?
I'm beautiful.
What do you think? Lini, what do you think of Mama's chin?
It's like beautiful. But you
It's like beautiful! Oh my goodness. Come on, Daddy. Daddy.
That's look at me. Look at me for me. Ooh.
Daddy, what can you say?
Wow.
No way.
Absolutely beautiful, Mama. What a difference.
It's like me. It's like me.
It's like you, yeah. I'm beautiful now like
You
you.
look like Celine. And
No.
Paris.